house and I'm playing. So we are in the fungal and we are playing with my friend, who is a mini scout. So as you can see, she's right over here. He's right over here. His name is Mini Scout. So I'll just bet my own bet. Alright, so where? Hold on. Let me go see if... And yes. Alright. They got me voted out. Dang it! How did my friend get that? Dang! I did not tap the mushroom mix-up. Wait. That's a glitch. That's a glitch and a half. Wait. Do the imposters not change? The imposters don't change. I think that's a new bug fix. Hate you. Alright, where are we? Oh. I'm guessing yellow's gonna be died. Why the hell am I brown anyway? What? Ooh. Why didn't... One second, I'm gonna go talk with my friend. Alright. Damn! Bro gone! Nice! Alright, no one was ejected. Tie. Alright, so I just talked with my friend. He's like, I just saw you, so yeah. Hold on, let me turn on my power mode. Ooh. I'm just gonna night. Alright, what you doing? Oh, let's watch Night. Let's see what the hell he's gonna do. Date? She left the my friend left the game. Nice. Hold on, let me go talk with her and see what happened. Okay, guys, so we gotta leave the server. my friend got kicked out of the server, so we're gonna join the server. Alright. We're joining in. We're back together. And let's see how it goes this time. So many people. Hey. Alright, what do we have here? Or should I just do this guy? This guy. And then I'm probably just gonna wrap up some pants. Dang! They look sweet. Alright. Alright, I'm a crewmate, and there's my friend in the corner. She is Lime. Yes, I am on the bed, if you guys heard that sound. And I know I'm sounding like kind of calm today. What the heck? Why? What? What the? Why is someone talking about what's cool? Somebody kills... I don't... Please hold. I will change my outfit. I'm sorry, guys. Good night. Just to make it fancy, let's just vote him. I think my friend's at the loudest volume. Alright, we just named him. Of course. Oh! Nah, that is camping. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna go to the laboratory and then just dap some stuff. What the heck? Alright, well, I just officially died. Come on, can I just do the task? Can't tell my friend who the killer was. Who did that anyways? Wait. Oh, it gave him a random scan, that's why. Why did they vote Sans? I didn't look at the chat, so Sam told me not an imposter, bro. Alright, now let me go. Oh, okay. I missed the task. Nice. Nope. Well, hell yeah, I did it. Nice. Finally. Yes, I have to do this task. No, I do not want a screenshot. Sorry, guys. It's my bad. And yeah, that's my clicking speed, my tapping speed. So, impressive, right? Yeah. Alright, what is about to get recorded? I literally saw that. Royce is a... Damn, bro. Okay, Green. It's Liam. Who the hell even reported? Well, Stan, right? No. What the? Bro! Bro, chill! Red. Dude. That's you I'm talking to. Wait, what? They're still seeing my friend out. Let's see. Wait. It's on. Why are they still saying Lime? My friend. My friend is only a level 20 and I'm like a level, what, 61. Huh? I'm going to talk with my friend. Alright, so she got kicked hard, dude. Now, hold on. Let's, now that was so slime, so. Oh, come on. So many of the big tasks. You? Usually after I'm done with my tasks, I just go and look at the vitals. Oh my god, I love that fish. It's like my favorite one. Alright, let's go cook some fish. Alright, so... Hey, Lime. Bro, Bean. When you die. Damn. Okay. What? Green. Bye-bye. Okay. Let's get this off. Okay. FI has voted. Liam, you really got held back. Like, he held it. Yeah, I think Sign was AFK the whole time. Oh, Juno. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking. Indie points. I have so many beans. Like, I played Among Us like so much. See, I'm like top G right now. Alright, sorry I was so quiet. Ignore that fact. Alright. This host is taking forever. Alright, finally. And I'm white. Let's go. Nope, I do not need you. I need you. Nope, psych, I'm kidding. Blue headphones, pink headphones, or yellow headphones? I think the pink look good. And I know they look sus, but alright, you know what? Blue actually kind of looks better, so let's go with blue. Damn! What the hell? Oh yeah, we could do this. The hell? Oh, I gotta check my thing. What's it called? You cost me? Dang it! My goal is just to get this one. I think it gives you like some shield or something. Flying strawberry. Cause look at that, boo. Did bro? What the heck? Nice. What are you doing? Nice, boy. Nice. Bro naked. BB like dun. Let's eat it today. Today! Mama, come on! Please? Alright, yeah, I haven't had dinner yet, so I'm just asking. What? Nope. What the? Come here. Does he see me? Oh, damn! You can't even see me. Dang it! Yeah, that was my sister's voice. She's watching my friend, I think. Aw, okay, so I'm expecting me and her to be a crewmate, so I'm gonna follow her. I was supposed to kill her in the first round. In the round there, she got killed. Oh my god, what did you do? Oh shoot, no, hell. gotta go again. Did I? Yeah, where is it? Yeah. Okay, so it was near the button. If we check our mini map, got to button. I meant. Alright, so we are here. That's where the body is, and we can walk right in. That's the meeting room. The middle is the meeting button. Skipping. Elizabeth. Okay, so you want? Holy crap! Sorry, guys. Dr. Ford gun. What? Why? Also, my outfit does look cool, but. Oh my god, bro. Bitty bitty boo. Bro has the fungal cosmic cube. Fungal cosmic cube, fungal cosmic cube, fungal cosmic cube. Who else has the fungal? I don't know. No one is addicted to skip. No. Oh, come on, really? Alright, let's do our fish tasks. The fish is coming from this side. Hey, Among Us dude. Oh god, what the hell is that fish? Oh! Alright, run away, run away, run away, run away. Stay away, stay away. Stay away from me, stay away from me, stay away. Stay away from me, stay away from me, stay away from me. Yes, 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 yes. Alright, where? Where? Yes? Was gonna vent to another TF means like yeah. What? I should have silvered it like what is it? Lime just came down zip. It's Def Lime. Wait! They know I'm onto them. Do not do it. Whoa! Bro's at level 102. Come on, can we at least get one person right? Like, actually, I'm getting so freaked out. Because 2 kills. Yes! So I'm talking, No. Don't, come on. Don't. Oh my god, I love this part. This is like the first time you've seen this sabotage, right? Crap. What the hell? Who was at Splash Bay? Wait, Sans. Color was dark. And Lime said it's... Alright. Let's do red. When's my friend gonna vote? Me and Perp got Lime out. Cyan is dead. Imagine he gets this right. Nah! Don't tell me that. We are out here. Alright, I'm gonna stay with my friend. Basically. I don't know why he's most, but... Oh, come on. I mean... Oh, it's fixed. No, Sans. Hell no. What?! What the quack? That bro just shot. Freaking God. When did she get pants? No. I didn't see her with pants. G. That is a kill trickathon. Guys, hit the like button. I don't know what I'm saying. GG, that is a kill trick. What am I saying? Why am I saying? Who am I saying it to? Ah. Come on. My friend is such a bot, dude. Next level. Bro only... Oh. What's the shape here? No, wait, what? Oh, hold on, how many indie points do I have? 2 indie points. GG, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Posy buddy bow. I'm just Let's do the, what the hell? Alright, so. I'm waiting for my roll. Kermit. Wait. Also, have I been playing for 30 minutes, I'm guessing? 31 minutes. Well, I think I'm finishing off the game with dying, so I'll guess see you guys next time. So peace out, have fun. Again, please like and subscribe. Whoever watches these videos, I feel really happy. Thank you to all of you guys who are watching this video and my other videos. Check out my channel, The Seeker, code @TheSeeker hyphen SD3JC. That's my code. And for YouTube, so if you want, you can just search it up and you can get it. Thank you so much, and enjoy your weekend. Oh, also one more thing. If you guys are looking forward to my videos, and you know I'm sending them out every Saturday, I think the video actually uploads on Sunday, so stay tuned for every Sunday, because then the video gets posted out into public. And thank you guys.